Now, if you're a Java programmer, you're probably used to writing pairs of get and set accessor methods when you want to get at or set the value of an object's variable. Now, in Ruby, I can simplify this process by creating attributes. Let's see an example here. So all you have to do is to write two special methods. That's utter_reader or utter_writer, followed by a symbol, and here you can see that's colon description in this case, and a symbol is just an identifier preceded by a colon. Now, calling utter_reader with a symbol, that has the effect of creating an instance variable with a name that matches the symbol that you give, and also a get accessor for that variable. I'm calling utter_writer, well, that similarly creates an instance variable, but this time with a set accessor. So here the variable would be called @description. Now, a Ruby attribute is similar to what some languages, such as C#, call a property. Once I've declared an attribute, I can access it using a syntax that's similar to accessing a variable. So you can see here I've got dot notation T1, which is the name of a treasure object, dot description. So I can get and set the value of the variable using that sort of syntax instead of calling methods and passing arguments. Now, I can also create attribute accessors, both get and set accessors, all in one go by using this method, utter_accessor. And what that does is it creates both the reader and the writer all in one go. Now, note that I can put one or more symbols, I've got several here, separated by commas if I want to create accessors for all those names. I can pass them as a list, and also, as so often in Ruby, the parentheses here are entirely optional. Use them if you want them, omit them if you don't. But what if I want to create an attribute that's read-only so that I can get its value but not set it? Well, let's have a look at an example here. The name attribute only has a reader, so that means that it's read-only. I can't set its value. So that's a quick, simple summary of using attributes in Ruby. This little course of Ruby is based on my book, The Little Book of Ruby, which is available from Amazon, and you can download the source code for free from bitwisebooks.com.